Did you know the right snacks can help support kidney health? With millions of people worldwide dealing with kidney issues, making better food choices, right down to your snacks, can make a difference. In today's video, we'll share 5 kidney-friendly snacks that are easy to prepare and enjoy. Let's get started. Unsalted popcorn. Popcorn is naturally low in sodium, making it a great snack for kidney health. It's also high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar, important for those with diabetes. Skip the store-bought salted versions and pop your own at home. Season with garlic powder or paprika for flavor without added salt. Rice cakes with cream cheese. Light and crispy rice cakes topped with cream cheese make an ideal snack. Low in potassium and phosphorus, they're easy on the kidneys. Add cucumber slices or dried herbs for extra flavor. Perfect for when you need something quick yet satisfying. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect kidneys from inflammation. Plus, they're low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with kidney concerns. Blend half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with unsweetened almond milk, a handful of ice. Apple slices with cinnamon. Apples are low in potassium and high in fiber, great for digestion and kidney health. Add cinnamon for natural sweetness and anti-inflammatory benefits. For variety, pair the slices with unsweetened yogurt or warm them for a cozy treat. Strawberries with whipped cream. Strawberries are low in potassium and high in vitamin C, supporting immunity and kidney health. Pair them with unsweetened whipped cream for a sweet treat. Sprinkle on a dash of cinnamon for even more flavor and benefits. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy living tips. Which snack are you most excited to try? Share your favorite kidney-friendly snack ideas in the comments below.